Make your own imaginary pet.
Arachnids are awesome at weaving silk nets. However, they're not the most huggable pets. Dress up as Augustus, make webs out of cotton. Imagine a pet too unreal to be rotten. Unless made of cardboard or paper or clay, leave spiders alone. Well, at least for today.
If you want to make your own imaginary pet like Augustus Brown, you will need a carton and pipe cleaners. You can make it sing by using the wings pulled from drink cans. And you can decorate it however you like. I use paint, but you can also use textures. I have done the body poke 2 holes in each side, because that is how you attach the legs. Put your jingly jangly onto your pipe cleaners first. Then your pet can sing to you. You can decorate it even more with stickers or googly eyes. PVA glue works as well. Then give your imaginary pet a name. This one is Augustus Brown. My best friend is Augustus Brown. He's still the cutest pet around.